Hi everyone, Ashley here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to be prepping for Hawaii in this video. If you head on over to my channel, you will see that I am a mom and I make travel videos as well as Montessori inspired living videos. Hit the like button and the subscribe button if you like that kind of stuff. Okay, so I thought that this video would be really fun to make just because I have actually so much prep work that goes into before we travel somewhere. And this trip specifically is the longest trip that we have done. It is going to be about a 9-hour flight journey with an hour layover. And then once we arrive at the airport, we, have to get our car and everything. And then after that, we have to drive to our hotel. And we are actually staying on the opposite side of the island that the airport is, so it's going to be an hour drive after all of that. And if you have seen my content before, or if you are a mom who also travels and have traveled with a baby at multiple ages, you will know that every time is different. This time I have a fully walking, even running toddler, and I'm very curious to see how the flight is going to go. It's also during the day, which is more preferable to me. I know a lot of people like flying a red eye because then their baby will sleep for sure, but like for me, my baby just doesn't go to sleep that easily. I had a hard time when I took a red eye flight to New York. If you want to see that video, I'll link it right here as well because it was quite the journey and I did it all alone. This time is going to be a lot nicer because my partner is going to be with me, so I will have an extra set of hands, which is really nice. It is definitely harder to do it alone, and very grateful that I'm gonna have him. So just to give you an idea of what's in store for this week, starting right now, we are 7 days away from the trip. I have a few things that I still need to get. Obviously she's grown out of all of her summer clothes because we're just coming out of winter. And so we had to buy her a lot of summer outfits as well as new bathing suits. None of her bathing suits fit her anymore. So I will definitely show you everything that we got. We have stuff just coming in, like online orders that we had. And then right now I'm about to go get my pedicure. Otherwise, we have a lot of packing and preparing, and when I say preparing, I kind of just mean like, how am I going to entertain her for 10 hours on a flight? And my number one trick is always bring new toys. Try to get as many new things as you can. Of course, they are going to have their favorite book or their favorite stuffed animal, and that's going to bring them comfort during the trip, but definitely bring new items because it does keep them more stimulated when you do that. Okay, we just got a package. I honestly don't know what's in here because my partner ordered clothes for her. He has like really good style. Let's open this and see what's inside. Thank you for the helping. Wow. He mentioned getting her like dinner dresses or something like that, so I'm assuming that's what this is. Little polka dot dress, but I can already tell this is actually gonna be way too big for her. Kind of cute. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't choose it, but you can see how he's going for a dressed up look. That's pretty fun. It's like a little t-shirt and a skirt. This brand is actually pretty good though. He got us another bathing suit for her. This brand is called Ruffle Butts. I feel like it's pretty good quality. Like the hats are all UPF 50 plus, as well as the bathing suits. Okay. You got the camera up there. Now what do you want to say? Okay, so I'm at home now. I think we're maybe 4 days away from the trip. I had this binder that had my hypnotherapy stuff in it, but I just temporarily took it out because the dollar store didn't have any like hard binders, so I just used that one. Also, I have these little Velcro strips that are sticky on one side, and this actually came with a toddler busy book that I bought off Amazon. It came with a bunch of extras of these. These are not going to be enough, so I think I am going to go on Amazon and order more of these. Is Thursday. We're leaving on Sunday, and I got some more Velcro because I ran out last time. This is actually hilarious. This is how you know that I shopped at the dollar store for this stuff. The cards, so like I'm taping everything, you know, on the papers right here. And I noticed that the second number 10, because there's 2 of each number, is missing. And then I started freaking out because I was like, oh my God, my OCD, like how, I don't know how to handle this. And then I started looking through the cards and like I found another one that was missing its second number. And then 17 through 20 is also missing. Like its second thing, which might be intentional, but like, I don't know. So I was like, you know what? It's fine. We're not gonna go to number 10. We're just gonna stay at number 9, single digit numbers anyways. So she's not like she can go to 20 anyways at 1 year old. Like she can't even count numbers at all. All right, hello. I am just arriving to Target. We just left our swim lessons, which I am like so impressed. I'm so impressed by her because like we did 2 swim lessons before we take this trip to Hawaii. Yeah. And she was actually jumping in the pool and holding her breath today, so I'm feeling very confident about going to Hawaii and like being around so much water with her. She absolutely loves it. My nails are done. If you didn't see, last night it was dark, but my friend just did like so good. I really love them. I feel like they're kind of like I feel like they're kind of like classy, not too bright, but yes. Anyways, we are actually going I don't know if I can talk because she just like keeps sucking too. I'm coming to Target just to get a Polaroid camera because I'm gonna give that as like one of the gifts to my partner who it's his birthday, so it's a monumental birthday, and so I think that taking the little Polaroid camera on this trip might be fun. Yeah, we're talking about Dada. Okay, we just got home. Little Target haul mini. I got a mini little purse. And I was talking to my friend about this. Like, I don't mind bags from Target because I just don't like logos. So their stuff doesn't have logos, and it's fine for me. I'm like, I'd rather have a designer, not designer, but like good quality diaper bag or like luggage than a purse because I feel like I don't carry purses that much. Then I also bought these. They're so cute. Look at you. Then I got this Polaroid camera. My friend told me they would be like $16, but it ended up being $80, so a little bit of a difference. The packing is well underway. My baby has been watching Miss Rachel for like 45 minutes straight, which is like kind of impressive. And I don't know, I don't feel that bad, you know, because she was like actually trying to like work on her speech and whatnot, so that was kind of cool to see. I have so far packed this little packing cube full of her clothes, and then I went in my closet and I saw that like I had moved her clothes in there last night when I just cleared it off the bed, but she has all these that I still have intentions to pack, and that's just for clothing. Like I still have to pack the diapers, the potty, and all of my stuff, of course, and then our shoes and all that stuff. So I don't know why I was like, okay, I can probably fit it all in a carry-on because we don't do formula anymore, so I don't have to worry about bringing like milk or like bottle stuff. But now I'm just bringing her more clothes, so I'm not able to fit it in my carry-on. It's your birthday present.
What? You have me a birthday present?
She helped wrap it and everything. That's why it's ripped.
Pull it. Pull it. Help me open it. Ah. All the way. Keep pulling. Ooh. Nice, Dee. Wow. That's fun.